Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by selecting high-quality salmon fillets, ideally around 1 inch thick. In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fried salmon. First, pat your salmon dry with paper towels. This is a crucial step for achieving that perfectly crispy skin. Then, season both sides of your fillets generously with salt and pepper, or your favorite blend, to enhance the natural flavors. Next, choose a heavy-bottomed, non-stick pan, which helps distribute heat evenly and prevents sticking. Add about 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed oil, to the pan. Heat the oil over medium-high heat until it's shimmering, but not smoking. This ensures a beautiful sear on your salmon. Carefully place your salmon fillets, skin side down, into the hot pan. Cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes, allowing the skin to become wonderfully crispy and golden brown. Once the skin is perfectly rendered, gently flip the fillets. Continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes, or until the salmon reaches your desired doneness. After cooking, remove the salmon from the pan and let it rest for a minute or two. This helps the juices redistribute. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice over the top adds a bright, zesty finish that complements the rich flavor of the fish. Serve your perfectly fried salmon immediately with your favorite side dishes for a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.